Dear students, listen to me. Now we are seeing about science, okay? And they introduced the 12-month calendar system based on lunar month, okay? So Mesopotamians introduced 12-month calendar system based on lunar month. Their ideas influenced Greek astronomy. They had developed a medicinal system and also developed a medicinal system as well as a text called Diagnostic Handbook and dated to the 11th century BCE. Babylon lists symptoms and prognosis. So diagnostic and first to find out the nature of disease. Next prognosis means other symptoms and first you know the symptoms. Okay, after that medicines also, okay, and that this indicates their scientific understanding of herbs and minerals. Contribution of the Mesopotamian civilization. And the invention of the potter wheels is credited to the Sumerians, okay, and first invention of the potter wheels and credited to the Sumerians. Second one, they developed the calendar system, 360 days and divided a circle 360 units. Next one, and Mesopotamian civilization and the uniform system of writing was their contribution of this civilization. Next one, Hammurabi Law Code was another legacy of the Mesopotamian. Okay, so Hammurabi Law Code, all of you know that Hammurabi Law Code is an important legal documents. Okay, so this document specifies the laws related to various crimes, 282 provisions and specifying cases related to family rights, trade, slavery, tax and wages. Okay, so this Hammurabi Code and also very punishment principles, okay, so eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. So this is form of justice is used in the Hammurabi Code, okay. So Hammurabi Law Code has another legacy. It's a very important legacy documents, okay. Next one, the Chinese civilization. Next one, we are going sign and Chinese civilization. China has two major rivers, okay. China has two major rivers. One is known as Huanghe and Huanghe. So Huanghe and another name is called Huanghe and Huanghe another name is called Yellow River, okay. So Yellow River and other is called, and the next one is Yangtze River. Next one, Yangtze River, okay. First one is and Huanghe, next one is Yangtze. So this is two major rivers, okay. The Yellow River is known as Sorrow of China. Why Yellow River is also known as Sorrow of China? So this time change in hordes and has frequent floods, okay. So in that time now floods வரும். ஸோ இந்த ரிவரை வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் எல்லோ ரிவர் அண்ட் another நேம் இஸ் கால்டு சாரோ ஆஃப் சைனா, ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், எவிடன்ஸ் ஃபார் த ப்ரீ ஹிஸ்டாரிக் பிக்கிங் மேன், ஓகே. எவிடன்ஸ் ஃபார் த ப்ரீ ஹிஸ்டாரிக் பிக்கிங் மேன். ஸோ 700,000 pp and 200,000 pp. So and Yuan Mao, okay. Next one, Yuan Mao man exists in China. So previous times and Yuan Mao man. So Yuan Mao man live in China. So Neolithic communities peoples and also live in China between 4,500 and 3,750 BCE. So first one, Yuan Mao and live in China. Next one, Neolithic communities live in China between 4,500 and 3,750 BCE. The Henan province in the Yellow and Yangtze River. So these times Neolithic peoples and also live in and Yangtze River Valley contain evidence for Neolithic village. So these places and searching and must evidence for Neolithic villages, okay. China had many city states and China had many city states, and next these city states and also joining their empire. Okay, so all the city states and also joining the empire. Okay, next one, polity and emperors. Next one, and we are seeing about polity and emperors. Okay, and Shi Huangdi and Queen Shi Huang, which means the first emperor. Shi Huangdi and another name is and Queen Shi Huang. Shi Huangdi, and dear students, listen to me. This word is, and you are studying new word, so listen to me. Shi Huangdi, and next one Queen Shi Huang. Okay, so which means, and this name is also known as first emperor. Okay, and founded the Qin dynasty. So this emperor and founded the Qin dynasty. The emperor had the title. The emperor had the title Son of Heaven. Okay, the emperor had the title Son of Heaven. And Son of Heaven அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்னென்னா ஸ்வர்க்கத்தின் புதல்வர் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதான் என்னன்னு சொன்னால் Son of Heaven. So that time the emperor had the title is also known as Son of Heaven. So Queen Shi Huang is considered to be the first emperor of China. Okay, and Queen Shi Huang and Shi Huangdi is considered to be the first emperor of China. The period between 221 and 206 BCE is known as Imperial Era in China. So this time and Imperial Era, and this period of time is and very and must joining anti-empires. Okay, so he conquered the principalities in 221 BCE and remained the emperor till 212 BCE. So, and Shi Huangdi defeated the feudal lords and established a strong empire. And he conquered means வெற்றி வீரர், and he defeated most of the places and most of the rulers. Okay, so that time he established a strong empire. So இவரோட empire வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு, very strong empire. He is credited with unifying China. So most of the places occupied, unifying China. So Shi Huangdi destroyed the wall fortifications of different states and constructed the Great Wall of China. So Shi Huangdi destroyed the wall fortifications. So and other peoples and also not coming. Okay, so the Great Wall of China to protect the empire. இந்த Great Wall வந்து ஏன் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, ஸோ தன்னோட எம்பையரை ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் இந்த Great Wall and constructed that time. Okay, and others and also not coming, invading nomadic peoples. So nomadic peoples means நாடோடி மக்கள், இந்த மாதிரி யாரும் உள்ளே என்ட்ரு ஆகக்கூடாது. So, and the Great Wall of China and also constructed that time. He also built roads to integrate the empire. So that time, and he constructed the roads. He constructed roads, and next one to integrate the empire. Next to join that places. He also built roads to integrate the empire. Okay, so அந்த பேரரசை இணைக்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ரோட்ஸு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேம்மா, நெக்ஸ்ட் பாரு, அண்டு த கிரேட் வால் ஆஃப் சைனா, ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஒண்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்டு. ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ நோ தட், உலக அதிசயங்களில் ஒன்றானது என்னன்னு சொன்னால் கிரேட் வால் ஆஃப் சைனா வாஸ் அ மாசிவ் எஃபோர்ட் அண்ட் அண்டர்டேக்கன் ஃபார் த ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் சைனா ஃப்ரம் த மங்கோல்ஸ். ஓகே, இது என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, அண்டு எதிரிகளிடம் வந்து தன்னை பாதுகாத்து கொள்வதற்காக இந்த என்னது மேக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, கிரேட் வால் ஆஃப் சைனா. ஓகே, அண்ட் இன் 220 BC அண்டர் குயின் ஷி குவாங் earlier fortifications were connected by walls as a form of defense against invasions and others and also not coming by place. So it was built from 3rd century BCE until 17th century CE. Okay, in it ran for 20,000 kilometers covering the hills and plains. So the Great Wall of China 20,000 kilometers covering the hills and plains from the bordering of Korea in the east and Ordos Desert in the western side and eastern sides, and also covering hills and plains and covered that. So the Great Wall of China and for over 20,000 kilometers covering the areas. Okay, and from the border of Korea in the east and Ordos Desert in the western side. So dear students, you see the picture. This is the Great Wall of China. Okay dear students, okay, thank you. We are going next class. Okay.